Well, there is a brand new ride-sharing app that has just launched that is taking the internet by a storm, and they are actually paying drivers 100% of the fares. And they're actually saying that they don't even need to convince drivers to sign up because they are flocking from Uber and Lyft and signing up because drivers are fed up of paying 50% of the fare to Uber. I mean, what is Uber doing? Uber just is the technology. Why should the driver keep most of the ride, if not all of it? So we are going to be covering this and how you can sign up. And also, before I jump in, if you're looking for a new way to make money, there's an incredible opportunity right now where you can start making over $10,000 per month right here on YouTube. This is something that I've been doing for over 5 years now, okay? And I'm finally teaching people how to do it online. I've already taught several of my friends, even one of my best friends, I taught her how to start her own channel, and she started making 40,000 bucks a month. This is one of my YouTube channels. This year so far, I've already brought in 57K. The last 2023, 130,000. I can't remember, 125K. 125,000 bucks. And if you go to the last 365 days, over $133,000. I have several of these channels. It's crazy how much money you can make on YouTube, and it's not that hard. You don't need an experience, you don't need a following, you don't need to show your face. I have a link below. If you want to sign up and learn how to do it, I just uploaded a 54-minute tutorial video. We have a group chat where there's steps. I make it step by step on the order of how to set it all up, how to start making money. Right now, for the first 100 people, there's a 30-day free trial. You can sign up, watch all the material, join the group, try it out. If you don't like it, you can leave. No harm, no foul. Just try it out, and I want to make the group really, really good. Again, this is not something that I just started. I've been doing this for years, and it changed my life. I bought this house I'm sitting in Southern California. It's crazy. It's crazy. I did not come from money, and YouTube really changed my life. So check out the link below if you'd like. Otherwise, let's dive into this. Rideshare app is called Hover. They just launched, and they're promising fair pay for drivers. The CEO is this guy who he actually believes in drivers. He actually looks, in the way he talks, he sounds like he actually cares about the drivers, unlike Uber's CEO, Dara. Let's tune in.
Well, people in the greater Toronto area have one more option to get around today. Hover is a ride-hailing app based in Toronto that comes with the promise of fair pay for drivers, but can it compete with Uber and Lyft? Harrison Ahmed is the founder and CEO of Hover, and he joins me now in studio. Harrison, thanks for being on the program.
Harrison, that's the CEO. He's young. He looks, he looks nice. He looks like a nice guy. I'm putting my faith into him so far. Let's watch.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me, Travis.
So we are approaching the end of day one. Yeah. How have operations been so far?
So far, so good. We've gotten tons of attraction on the platform from riders and drivers, and everything is running as smooth as it can be for day one.
Okay, so let's talk about the differences with Hover as opposed to Uber and Lyft.
Absolutely. So fundamentally, we have a different business model. So we employ a membership model for the drivers. So instead of taking a commission per ride, they keep 100% of the fares. So our slogan is also our business model. 100% fares, 100% fair. So
drivers, they have to pay $20. I looked into it. They have to pay $20 a month to drive on the platform, but they keep 100% of the fare. On my first video about this company, I said, wow, why would they be charging somebody to work to drive on the app? But then a lot of you guys were saying, well, Dylan, that's better than paying Uber. I'd rather pay 20 bucks a month or 240 bucks a year than paying Uber thousands of dollars and fare fees. So while I don't like the membership, I never like paying to work, but at the same time, if you're gonna only pay 20 bucks a month, but you're gonna profit $1,000 more per month. I mean, 20 bucks a month, honestly, is not bad the more I think about it. $4 or $5 a week. Yeah, honestly, you could probably make that back in one ride with keeping 100% of the fares. So now that I think about it a little bit more, I actually kind of like it.
Drivers can pay that monthly membership, keep 100% of the fares.
And I have to say, my YouTube Faceless channel membership, we also have a membership fee. So I gotta kind of side with this guy because it's like, yeah, you'll pay the membership fee to keep the course running and to allow us to, you know, provide better materials and everything like that. But the hope is that you'll make, you know, thousands and thousands of dollars. So let's keep watching this guy.
So that allows us to charge less. So riders pay less and drivers earn more.
So how do you make profit then as a company?
Absolutely, it's a great question. It's usually the next one that comes
Right.
around. So the fares for us are described as the per kilometer rate, the per time rate, as well as the base rate. That's the fare. So the other rideshare companies, they take a percentage out of that. And so that's the driver's earnings. They keep 100% of that. Now, it's still a business. There are still fees involved. Now, the fees that the rider pays are the fares plus the total fees. We have a $1 platform fee along with the city fee, the insurance fee, and the transaction fee.
Right.
And so that's how we earn our keep.
Okay.
That's actually extremely interesting. So instead of taking money per a percentage of the rides, he's just charging a small base fee to the passenger in addition to the actual ride. You know, a $1 platform fee, a little city fee, a little tax, a little platform fee that they take every single time. But then the majority of the ride, that just all goes to the driver every single time. So it's not like, oh, you know, this ride's gonna cost 20 bucks. The driver's like, well, I might only make 5 or I might make 15. It's like, no, you will make the 20 bucks, but the passenger is gonna have to pay probably 23, you know, with the $1 fee plus this plus that. So the app makes their $2 or $3 on that ride, but the driver keeps the whole ride amount. It's actually extremely innovative. I really hope, you know, the rideshare industry it's a massive business model, and I think it's pretty hard to make a profit. But hey, if you guys have really smart engineers and you can do it, and you don't need to spend that much money in marketing because it's just gonna go viral, like, you know, he doesn't have to pay me to make a video about it because I actually think this is pretty legit. Some of you guys are probably gonna sign up for it. So it's like, word of mouth is the best form of marketing. Just look at Tesla. That's why Tesla has succeeded. They didn't have to spend any money on advertising. Tesla refused to run any ads. I think they run ads now, but I think for like the first 10 years, they didn't run a single ad. So I don't know, it's pretty interesting to me. And if they can save money on that end, then, you know, they don't have to spend so much money doing ads. Because like Uber and Lyft, they're running ads all day long, spending millions and millions of dollars on ads. But it's like, they could have just reserved that money for paying the drivers more, and then probably more drivers would have signed up anyways because they'd be making more money.
Hearing, as you well know, about multiple strikes, calling for better pay, better working conditions for the drivers of the other platforms. So what's been the uptake for you in terms of drivers? Are you getting a lot of people on the platform already?
Yeah, both drivers and riders have been, you know, very, very excited about our platform. From the driver's side in relation to the demonstrations,
yeah.
I mean, it aligns perfectly, right? They're asking for better pay. We give them 100% of the fares. We don't take the commissions. They have predictable kind of a flat monthly rate that they know that what they can work with.
So let me know if you'd be interested in signing up for this. I think just they're only in Canada right now. So when they do come to America, I know we do have people in Canada who watch this channel, but when they do come to America, that's where I'm in California, I would love to test this out and make a video about it. So again, join my Faceless YouTube channel membership right now if you'd like, and take advantage of that 30-day free trial that will be ending very soon as we hit that 100 member mark. I think we're at like 50 so far, I just checked. So once we hit 100, I'll close that out. But yeah, you can learn how to set up a Faceless YouTube channel, and just so you can see on my earnings on my YouTube channel, one of my YouTube channels, I've been averaging over $10,000 per month for the past 18 months. This is this year so far. I guess it's more like 17 months because, well, just what you can see here. This is this year so far, 57K. And then last year, 2023, bringing in over this one, I averaged over 120 or 10,000 bucks a month. Some days making over $1,000 in a single day. You know, YouTube is crazy, guys. If you can set up a Faceless channel, honestly, you could live anywhere you want in the world and just like make money on YouTube. It's crazy. Look at this month. One single month on this one channel. And again, I have several channels bringing in over 30,000 bucks. This one over 20,000 bucks in one single month. This changed my life, guys. I'm just being honest. I've been doing this for years. This was the only reason I was able to buy a house. So check out the link below if you'd like to learn exactly how you can also make money on YouTube with a Faceless YouTube channel and take advantage of that 30-day free trial. I'm really excited, and I'm excited for you guys to join the group as well and help you guys, because again, I teach my friends in real life how to do this. So now I'm excited to teach some of you guys too, if anybody's willing to take the next step. All right guys, we'll talk soon.